Page 9, Lament. 3/4 time, 1 sharp. We're in the key of, well, look out, because you think, okay, G major. You keep in mind that there is a minor key with the same key signature as a major key. So every time we get a key signature, it's either the major key or the minor key. And so far in the book, I haven't covered the minor keys because I knew none of them were in it. However, look out, here we get one. It's not in G major, it's in E minor. I'm just telling you that. Major and a minor sound different. The major is kind of a happier type, and a minor is a solemn, more mysterious. Now also look at the last measure to see what it ends on. It ends on the E, I figure it's probably E minor. Right hand first, let's make sure we get these notes because we got some accidentals stuck in here. So we're starting a 5th finger, and then we get here, and then here. Now here you have a choice. Depends on how big your hands are and how fat your fingers are. You can play it with thumb again, but your hand has to come up in here. You don't have to. Many times in piano, we will reach down and use little finger or second finger there. Keep the hand basically, we're just coming across it with index finger. Because we're leaving that rest of the hand where it is pretty much. So the thumb's floating around but here. And then back. Don't forget the F sharp, it's in the key signature. And then going on, now the little finger's got to come up to the C. Just reach up, and now reach down, second finger if your hand's big enough, and thumb. If your hand's not big enough to reach that, then you have to use the thumb. You have no choice. Thumb. But if your hand's not big enough to reach that, then your fingers are not too fat. Your fingers are skinny enough that you can get up in here okay. It's not a problem. So even if you have to use your thumb, then you can use second finger on the E. And you still reach the B with your little finger then. Because that B there needs to be played with 5th finger. They don't tell you, but I'm telling you, play it with 5th finger. Because then you're in position for the rest of it. Left hand, second finger on G, so we're in this position, sort of. And then next measure is an F sharp, and then look out. You gotta reach the thumb up here, and then stretch out to the octave. You know, I talked about this earlier. Sometimes you gotta go an octave. You just reach down, connect it. And then the second line, you're sort of in this position, but reach up for the A, and then you can collapse. And then 3rd finger, B, up here, reach down, and then scrunch up a little, so thumb's on the E, because if you, in a regular position, index finger's on it, so come down a little more. And then reach out again for the octave. So the last 2 measures in the left hand, you're here, here, reach out, and then crunch up. And connect all those together. You have to look at the keyboard, that's fine. If you got to, that's fine. Eventually, you'll get to where you don't, but that's all right for now. Then we try putting the hands together. 1, 2. Hold those half notes down as you play this. So, go as slow as you gotta go. This is lento speed, and that is slow. This is a lament. This is not exactly a party song. It's just you would take this slowly. How slow? Well, it's up to you. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Oh, I am lamenting now. I'm not really in a lamentable type mood right now, so it's a little harder. It's easier if you're in a sadder, solemn mood to do this, and I'm more in a party mood right now. Articulation wise, do the slurs. 1, 2, off. Both hands come up at the same time there. 1. Up, so the C and the A, and lift up together, lift up together. So The hands are coming up at the same time. We have to practice these to make sure we get each hand working like it's supposed to. Dynamic wise, it says soft. Keep the left hand very soft. Then you come up a little bit to moderately soft. Just a little bit in the right hand. Keep the left hand soft. And then you decrescendo back to soft. There's not a lot of difference between soft and moderately soft. A little bit. So you'll have to judge that for yourself. But each of these will get just a little bit, just a hair softer. Don't get softer to the last measure. So work on it. And the left hand's very soft. Let's try this out slowly together. I'm not going to do the dynamics. We're probably going to take it close to the speed it should go though, because this is a slow piece. And because it has a pickup beat, I'm only going to give us 2 counts. I'm just going to go ready, go, and we go. Ready, go.